Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA display settings are not available. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, you gotta find your start menu, right click on it and click on Device Manager. Okay, and here we are going to find our display adapters. And here we have our NVIDIA graphics card. So what you do is just right click on it and just click on Uninstall Device. Okay, click on it and then just go ahead and click on Attempt to remove the driver for this device. Okay, and then you're going to want to click on Uninstall. All right, I'm not going to do it because it's going to log me out. So just click on Uninstall, and after that, it may require you to restart your computer. So just go ahead and restart your computer. Okay, so if you have restarted your computer and you may notice that your screen got lower resolution, just right click on the blank space and click on Display Settings, and then just find Display Resolution and select whatever resolution that you want. Okay, so once that's done, again, just check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, go and find your search bar and type down Services. Click on it, and then we are going to find NVIDIA. Okay, right here. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 NVIDIA services. Just make sure that these 3 are set to automatic. Now, as you can see here, I got this one set to manual trigger. So just double click on it, set this one to automatic. Now go ahead and click on Apply. Click on Start. Wait for the process to finish. Hit on OK. And if these other things right here, okay, is set to manual or disabled, make sure that you double click on it, set it to automatic, and the service status right here is running. Hit on Apply, hit on OK. Now after that, just basically right click on the NVIDIA icon right here, launch NVIDIA Control Panel, or right click on a blank space, show more, NVIDIA Control Panel, and everything should work perfectly fine now. So that is it. Okay. If all else fails, close this one. Make sure that you have the NVIDIA app, double click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to the driver tab, and then just reinstall the driver. If there's an update button available, click on Update. Wait for the process to finish, and finally, restart your computer for the last time, and then you should be good to go. That is how we fix NVIDIA display settings are not available in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.